Ever wondered how to score the best travel deals? Welcome aboard the Savvy Traveler's Guide, unveiling insider tips for unbeatable travel deals. Whether you're plotting a weekend getaway or sketching out a dream vacation, we're here to spill the secrets to bagging the best travel deals. First off, flexibility is key. Being open to shifting your travel dates can unlock significant savings. It's no secret that prices can fluctuate drastically depending on when you choose to fly. So do your wallet a favor and steer clear of peak travel times, considering weekday flights when possible. Next on the list is joining loyalty programs. Many airlines, hotels, and car rental companies roll out the red carpet for their loyal customers with exclusive perks and discounts. By signing up, you're not just joining a club, you're opening up a treasure chest of savings and earning rewards for future travels. Thirdly, remember to play the field. Never settle for the first deal that catches your eye. Explore different travel websites, compare prices, and let the best deal win. It's a game of patience and persistence, but the payoff can be huge. Fourth tip, be an early bird. You've heard the saying, the early bird catches the worm. It's especially true when it comes to booking travel. Secure your flights and accommodations well in advance, and watch those savings pile up. Fifth tip, think outside the hotel box. Hotels aren't your only option for a comfortable stay. Vacation rentals, hostels, and house-swapping platforms can offer unique, memorable experiences for a fraction of the price. Last but not least, be a travel deal detective. Follow travel deal websites and social media accounts to stay on top of flash sales, limited time offers, and secret discounts. Be the first to know and the first to score. And there you have it, the inside scoop on how to score unbeatable travel deals. With these tips in your travel toolkit, you're ready to plan your next adventure with confidence and create unforgettable memories without breaking the bank. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more insider travel tips and exclusive deals. Here's to happy travels and incredible savings.